Hello everyone, my name is Purva Jujabra Pawar and I pursued MBA from SAS Institute of Management. Today we are going to know about advantages and disadvantages of organization conflict. But first of all, we know about organization of conflict. What is organization conflict? Organization conflict can take many forms and phases as the disputes can be related to how long the employee should work, how the work should be undertaken, division of responsibility, how the revenue should be divided, and even jurisdictional disagreements between union and management and amongst department of individuals. Organizational conflict can also be in a form of role definitions, jealousy, rivalry, and the struggle for favor or power. Definition of organization conflict. Organization conflict is defined as a state of disagreement that is caused by perceived or actual opposition amongst the people working in the organization. The hostility or conflict can be in a interest, value, or needs that can result in an inevitable clashes between authorities and the people affected or even between colleagues. Advantages of organization conflict. The advantages are as follows. First is encourage healthy argument. When there is a difference in opinion, it leads to organization conflict. The best thing about it is that it results in debate and discussion along with healthy competition that can prove advantageous if you treat it positively. It improves team culture and helps people to know about the viewpoint of other involved parties. This encourages team members to handle situation without losing their coolness. Second is a boost motivation. Friendly rivalry and debate can be a great motivational tool that helps productivity. Third is encourages to reach the set of goals. It is a fact that when individuals are fighting it out amongst themselves about the best way, then they are automatically moving towards their goals. Dealing with difficult situations becomes easy as the debates and arguments offer various perspectives that can be used favorably. Fourth is clarifies doubts and queries. Organizational conflict help to clarify doubts. This ultimately improves the workplace environment. Fifth is the sense of commitment. One of the advantages of organizational conflict is that it encourages a sense of commitment among team members. Sixth is remove anxiety and stress. During conflicts, all the concerned parties are involved in argument, and this proves cathartic as all your negative emotions are swept away. This ultimately reduces the level of anxiety and stress and leads to a calm and peaceful environment. Seventh is boost productivity. Organizational conflict leads to resolution of issues that otherwise could have proved harmful. This ultimately is a reason for being more productive in future. Eighth is encourages change. Organizational conflict encourages change by helping you to find solution to the existing issues. Ninth advantages is creating new ideas. During disagreement, it is possible to get hold of some intriguing ideas that can prove beneficial. Now the disadvantages of organizational conflict. The disadvantages are as follows. First is a diverts attention from significant issues. Organizational conflict often divert attention from the main problem as people keep disagreeing and shifting topics to prove their point. Second is a creating deadlocks. During the organizational conflict, people start putting their onus on differences and this result in a deadlock. Third is a delaying decision. Some individuals will rebel against working under others or even in teams under a team leader. They will keep on interfering in essential matters and ultimately become a reason for delaying decisions. Fourth is a lead to frustration. Organization conflict does not allow individual to listen to the argument of others. It leads to frustration, anxiety, and disagreements that can continue for a long time and prove harmful for the company. Fifth is withholding information. In case of organization conflict, individuals, teams, or even departments tend to withhold critical information that can slow down the completion of task. 6. Reduces communication. When there is ongoing conflict, people tend to become cynical and generally adopt either aggressive or avoidance behavior. This often results in missed and reduced communication as no one is interested in talking them. Why to manage and resolve the organization conflict? In a workplace, conflict is inevitable and so it becomes imperative to find modes and means that will help to resolve and manage such situation. Remember, organization conflict can prove dangerous and destructive and if no stop at an appropriate time can create havoc and serious repercussions. The various ways to manage conflicts are: first, set up a formal grievances procedure that will listen to all the issues and take appropriate steps to find a viable solution. Second is all the involved parties must be given the necessary time to speak and lay their case. Next is make sure that all conflicts are handled in a positive manner. Try to concentrate on cause and not effect while finding a solution for resolving the organizational conflict. And last is active participation and the desire to find a solution can pave the way for steps to manage and resolve the organizational conflict. Thank you.